Right, guys, welcome back to Project Polo Part 4. Firstly, thank you to all the subscribers. We've grown something like 27 or something over January alone. To a small channel like me, that obviously means quite a lot. So, thank you. I was on the verge of not doing this video because of how these doors have gone. To be honest, with the doors and the way the panel stand has been, it's just been a complete, absolute flipping nightmare. Yesterday, which is obviously the reason why this video has taken so long to do, um, I put one door on. I went to rotate the panel stand, and the weight of the door flung the panel stand the other way, yeeted the door across the workshop, and obviously put a dent all in the front here and kinked up all this bottom corner. So I've had to repair all of that. And then if we go over to this door, to be honest with you, I'm still not happy with this door. I don't think I'll ever be happy with this door. Yeah, personally, this door I'm sort of semi-happy with. This door, I mean, I may be doing it again. You know, if you see in the refitting videos, oh no, the door's terrible on the title or something, then you know, yeah, it's just got to be done again. Now, as you can see, obviously they're all on the stand, they're all ready. I bypassed obviously getting them all ready and videoing it because, like I say, honestly, I didn't know if I was going to be able to get them to a stage where they were going to be able to paint, or if I was going to have to take them back. And I'm sort of, you know, like I say, I'm still teetering on ripping them back down bare metal and starting again. But we'll see how it turns out. And, you know, I can always repair them at a later date if I have to. So, yeah, so they're prepped inside and out. They're coated in high build primer. I've flattened them down with 400 on a block, so a massive long block along the flat areas of the door, and then obviously DA with an interface pad around all the edges, and then done a red scotch to finish off. Now obviously I've coated them with a thin layer of primer just over the bare metal patches and stuff where I've obviously rubbed through on the edges. Now we're going to get straight into painting, and we're going to see how these things turn out. Right then guys, with that, the doors are blue. Now, a couple of issues. I put them too high on the stands for a start, so obviously the gun was hitting the top of the ceiling. Not really the best. To be honest, they're a bit wibbly wobbly, but I don't know if that's just me being picky and when they're on the car, will you notice it? And is it just me being, a bit like it? I don't know. But they're blue, they're shiny. Yeah, I think all in all it turned out all right. Couple of pinholes here or there that I'm not really too happy about, but once again, could just be me being me. So thanks for tuning in. The next video is basically the last of the blue, so we're aiming to do the boot lid and the front slam panel, the toe and eye covers, and front crash bars, which hopefully I can hang all of this on the stand and go from there. So thanks for tuning in guys. If you still watching this far in. Like and subscribe, it does mean a lot. And I'll see you next time.